Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to connect any Xbox controller to your iPad Pro. So keep in mind, the Xbox controller must be Xbox One X or later, so any older Xbox controller will not work, so just keep that in mind. Okay, let's get this started. So on your iPad itself, open up settings, then find Bluetooth, and just make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and you see now discoverable as, and your iPad name. From here, you get your Xbox controller. You just want to turn it on. So this may turn on your Xbox as well, that's okay. So hold down the button, turn it on. And now we need to put the Xbox controller in pairing mode. So you see the share icon here, hold this down, keep on holding until this button starts blinking rapidly. Then check your iPad Pro and you should see Xbox wireless controller. If you don't, we just need to refresh the Bluetooth connection. We do this by tapping on Wi-Fi and then going back to Bluetooth. And then we'll just wait until we see the controller. Boom, tap on it and it should connect. So we'll tap on pair and there we go, we're connected. Now this will not always work seamlessly like you just saw. If it does not work, restart your iPad, turn off your controller, turn it back on, try again, and then everything will work without fail. So now you can control your iPad Pro using the Xbox wireless controller, okay? So do keep in mind that not all games, not all apps will support the controller, but Minecraft is a good example, Fortnite, good example, PUBG doesn't work, COD Mobile does work, so it's hit and miss. It really just depends if the app developer added support or not. So that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.